Hello there, my name is Gülder Ünal. I will talk about my marketing presentation journal. I anticipated that before the presentation, I would not show the audience my excitement. Although the topic was up to date, I have had some difficulties to find the appropriate visuals. When creating the presentation, it was so complex for me to make animation according to the speech I gave. Also, choosing suitable clothing for this presentation was one of my challenges. Strengths of my presentation were informing the audience in advance of my outline, properness of my tone of voice, and concluding the presentation according to the format we were taught. Before introducing the content, I showed the outline to the audience. When talking about the main trends of mobile marketing, I separated the strategies and gave connections between them by linking words. From the start to the end of the presentation, my tone of voice was loud enough to be heard by all the audience, I thought. Moreover, just before concluding the presentation, I summarized the topic in one sentence, which was good because it agreed with the expectations of the teacher. Weaknesses of my presentation were the complexity of the visuals, usage of body language, pronunciation mistakes, and eye contact problems. During the presentation, some of the visuals that I used were too complex to follow. One of the important problems in my presentation was the usage of the body language. I almost didn't move at all during the presentation and even haven't used my hands at all either. During the speech, I pronounced some words wrongly. Lastly, one of the significant delivery problems was my eye contact. I felt excited while looking to the audience. From now on, I plan to choose visuals according to what the content requires, and they shouldn't to be distractive. I decided to determine the words of the speech that I will use and prepare them in advance. Finally, I will try to solve my eye contact problem by looking at least the friends that I am familiar with and develop some other strategies too about that.